How to edit a post on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a post on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click the three lines here in the top corner and then click see your profile, and here just select any post you want and click these 3 points here, and then you will find edit post. Click on it and as you see here you can edit your post, and then just click save, and as you see the post has been edited. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.